anyiti itemi angĩ a gĩthomo arĩ Eldoret kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu nĩarekereirie maumĩrĩra ma kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kĩa mwaka wa 2025 rita rĩa kerĩ kuma yũkie gĩturwa gĩkĩ. Arutwo 1932 nĩo magĩte na grade ya A kĩgeranio-inĩ gĩa KCSE kĩa mwaka mũhĩtũku, kũrĩa maumĩrĩra ma arutwo 1,180 makanjĩtwo na makĩgiritanio na wũici wakĩo. Ona kũrĩ o arutwo makĩria ma 270 nĩo magĩte na kanya ga kũingĩra university marĩ na arama ya C+ gũthiĩ igũrũ na mbere yongererekete ũkĩringithania na mwaka wa 2024, no makĩria ma arutwo 600 matinahota gũkinyia gĩkĩro gĩa kwĩgwatĩra ithenya university-inĩ.
Using the reviewed grading system in which the overall grade at KCSE examination considers mathematics the best performing language among English, Swahili and Kenyan Sign Language and the best performed 5 subjects. There were 1,932, which is 0.19% candidates who obtained an overall mean grade A lane in the year 2025 KCSE examination. This is an improvement as compared to 1,693, which is 0.18% candidates who scored plain A in 2024. The number of candidates with direct university entry qualifications of mean grade C+ and above was 270,715, which is 27.18% in the year 2025 KCSE examination. This is an improvement compared to 246,391, which was 25.53% in the year 2024. The number of candidates with grade C- and above was 507,131, which is 50.92% in the year 2025 KCSE examination, compared to 476,889, which was 49.41% in the year 2024. The number of candidates attaining a pass grade, which is grade D+ and above, was 634,082, which is 63.67% in the year 2025, compared to 605,774, which is 62.76% in the year 2024. I wish to reiterate that our stand on the integrity of examinations. In November last year, we indicated that there were reported cases under investigation and that action would be taken upon conclusion of the investigations. At the conclusion of the KCSE examination, 1,180 candidates were found to have been involved in examination irregularities. Consequently, and in line with the applicable law and regulations, their examination results have been cancelled. It is now my humble duty and privilege to declare the 2025 KCSE examination results officially released.